Falcon 01, this is Tyler Coran. You're clear for launch. Brazil, Jack 20 miles. Confirm status.
Copy that tower. Fuel's tight, hole's patched, the wings are holding. This bird still remembers how to fly.
Chasing the skies, even if the ground forgets my name. Dust in my lungs, iron in my skin, wings torn down, but I won't give in. Ashes fall like silent rain, but the sky above still calls my name. I was never meant to stay, built for wind, not war or clay. They shot me down, but I still dream of flying where the light still gleams. I'm chasing the skies beyond fire, beyond fear. The engine screams louder than the silence near. If I fall again, let the winds be my grave. For the sky is my home, not the world I tried to save. They wrote my name in the battle dust, said I'd rise again if we trust. But I'm just a man with a shattered wing, a ghost in a flight path, remembering.
Falcon 01, do you copy? You're deep behind the lines again. Tell them I never stopped flying.
Still chasing the sky.
Valeu, César.
Let